I'm Amrinder Singh, currently studying in SIT Lonavala. I'm a third year engineer and have been referred for the post of MSP by our ex-MSPs Siddharth Gupta, Tamanna Osatkar and Mayur Pawar. I'll be talking on the topic Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio, that is MSRDS. MSRDS is a Windows-based environment for developing robotic applications by hobbyists, academic and commercial developers for a variety of hardware platforms. RDS includes a set of visual, authoring and simulation tools as well as tutorials and sample codes. RDS is based on CCR, that is Concurrency and Coordination Runtime, a net-based concurrent library implementation. Features include a visual programming tool, Microsoft Visual Programming Language for creating and debugging robotic applications, web-based and Windows-based interfaces, 3D simulation, easy access to robots, sensors and actuators, and support for a number of languages including C#, Visual Basic, .NET and JavaScript. Non-programmers can create robotic applications using a visual programming environment. Microsoft Visual Programming Language enables anyone to create and debug robotics programs very easily. Just drag and drop blocks that represent services and connect them. It is also possible to take a collection of connected blocks and reuse them as a single block elsewhere in the program. VPL, that is Visual Programming Language, is a graphical development environment that uses a service and activity catalog. They can interact graphically. A service or an activity is represented by a block that has inputs and outputs that just need to be dragged from the catalog to the diagram. Linking can also be done with the mouse. It allows you to define if signals are simultaneous or not, permits you to perform operations on transmitted values. VPL also allows you to generate the code of new macro services from diagrams created by users. One of the most important applications of RDS is Kinect Services for RDS. That is a package that allows a Kinect sensor to be used on a robot in the RDS environment. It also includes a simulated Kinect sensor. Kinect Services for RDS will bring comprehensive Kinect support to the Microsoft Robotics Studio, including support for a Kinect's depth camera, tilt and RGB control, as well as for the previous Kinect for Windows SDK tools. MSRDS 3D simulation environment allows you to simulate the behavior of robots in a virtual world that includes advanced physics. It supports both remotely connected and robot-based application scenarios. Remotely connected scenarios enable communication from a PC to the robot through a serial port, Bluetooth or RF modem. Programs can also execute natively on PC-based robots running on the Microsoft Windows operating system. Develop using different styles of programming languages. With RDS, robotics applications can be developed using C# in the Microsoft Visual Studio and Microsoft Visual Studio Express or the VPL language, which is included in the RDS package. Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio includes support for packages to add and other services to the suite. Those currently available include soccer simulation and sumo competition by Microsoft, and a community developer may simulate. New features in Microsoft include added support for Visual Studio 2010 and 2 additional simulation environments, multi-level house and factory. Thank you.
Yes, sir.